In this tutorial, we will explain what the ribbon is and how you can control how it appears while you work. The ribbon is the set of toolbars located at the top of the Word window. It is designed to help you quickly find the commands you need to complete common tasks such as formatting text, inserting objects, or reviewing documents. Knowing how to adjust the ribbon view can help you focus better and make more efficient use of your screen space. To show the ribbon display options when the ribbon is visible, look to the lower right corner of the ribbon area and click the Show Ribbon Display Options icon. This opens a drop-down menu where you can choose how the ribbon behaves. Each option changes how much of the ribbon is visible and how it interacts with your document. The first option is Auto Hide Ribbon. This setting hides the ribbon entirely to give you the maximum possible view of your document. When this mode is active, the ribbon only appears temporarily. You can bring it back by selecting the More option, represented by 3 dots in the top right corner, clicking on the top part of the document window, or pressing the Alt key. Once you return to editing, the ribbon hides again to keep distractions to a minimum. The next option is Show Tabs Only. This displays only the ribbon tabs without showing the commands underneath them. It gives you more document space while still allowing quick access to different sections of the ribbon. When you click a tab, the commands appear temporarily, then collapse again when you continue working. The Show Tabs and Commands option keeps all ribbon tabs and commands visible at all times. This is useful if you frequently use ribbon tools and prefer constant access without extra clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.